Hello, welcome to episode 44, still on mechanics, dynamics. We are dealing with weightless motion in what? A lift. That was just ended episode 43. In this episode, we want to deal with a question to test some of the hypotheses we drew in that episode. So we are to calculate the force with which the feet of a passenger passes downward on the floor of an elevator, accelerating upward of 4 times 10 raised to the power negative 3 meter per second square if the passenger's weight is given to us as 60 Newton. The force of gravity is 10 meter per second square. So if we are dealing with an elevator which is moving upward, we know that the weight of the person will be moving what? Downward. By a sketch from the previous episode, we know that your weight will be moving upward, then your apparent weight, which is a normal reaction, will be moving upward. So in a sense where the body is moving upward, we know that the normal reaction here minus this equals to the force required, which is required to lift the passenger. So if this is what we have, we can rewrite that force we are looking for as this is coming in the mg ma, where r is the apparent weight of the passenger. Now what do? We are going to substitute. So let's say from the question, let's look at some of the information given to us. We know the weight, which is going to be mg equals to what? 60 Newton. The weight of the passenger is given as 60 Newton. The acceleration due to gravity is also given. No, acceleration of the body, right? So acceleration, which is A, is given as 4 times 10 meter per second square. And I'm sure the force of gravity also given as what? 10 meter per second square. These are all the information given. Now, what I need is this, provided already. I need the mass to multiply by the acceleration given. So the only thing needed is, we can only say that from mg here, which is equals to 60, we can find this as in m equals to 60 divided by what? G, which implies that your m equals to 60 divided by what? 10. The G is 10 from here. That makes your mass equals to 6 kg, right? So the mass is now known. What do I need? The apparent weight will now be equals to the mass, which I can factorize out. From here, we can just factorize this out as mg plus what? A. So that I can have my 6 into bracket, force of gravity 10 plus 4 times 10 exponent what? Negative 3. Let's check that in our calculator and see. I'm sure when we add that, so in the bracket we have 4 times 10 exponent minus 3. No, that will not be. This will be 6 into bracket. This will be 10.00 if we compute that. Now multiplying that by 6, and that will give us 60.024. Yeah, into 3 decimal places. So this will be, therefore, the apparent weight will now become 60.024 with each unit being what? Newton. So you're looking for the force with which the feet of the passenger passes downward on the floor of the elevator. that is the apparent weight they are looking for, is going to be 60, which is more or less equals to the weight of what? The body. I guess this is also understood. All right. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for more.